This video is going to show you how to use the recurring payment feature in People's Choice Accounting. Many businesses have a monthly payment. Sometimes it's a fixed amount. Sometimes it varies, like their utility bill or those types of things. And so there's a quick way to manage those types of payments every month. And I'll review the setup and how it's actually used. So to set it up, you would go into recurring payments, and you can set it up by bank account. So I have set up here where I actually have a credit card payment set up. That this particular one has been set up to Safe Choice for a PC Online monthly subscription, and it's $75 a month. It's charged to my credit card, and it's a basic accounting with payroll that's paid every month. So that one has been set up. And then I also have in my regular default banking account these particular ones set up. The ways those are set up, you would click New. And so once you click New, you come up here and you choose what type of frequency it is, what vendor it goes to, and you can put in an amount for something like the Verizon bill. My Verizon bill last time was $126.20. But when you first set it up, if it varies from month to month, you can just set this to 0. And I'll show you how to fill it in, the account number. And then if you want to put on the check stub, whether it's paid by check or automatically withdrawn, what's this for? So just as a reference of what it would go to. So you can set that up for each one. So like I said, we have this set up for these particular ones. So to apply it, it's like we're going to do two different things here. You're going to manage things based on what type of check you're going to be using. So we go into checks, we go into recurring, in our default bank account, and we select which checks we're going to do. This online description is not for is for our credit card account. So we're going to go ahead and pay, that Verizon bill I changed to 0 this month. The Verizon bill was $113 or $130.56. Oops, 56 cents. And so we're going to pay that bill, and we're going to have this is automatically withdrawn from our checking account. So those are the ones that we're not going to create a check for. And so we would select that and we would say create checks. And because it's automatically withdrawn from our account, we're just going to use the check other, say create checks. Now you can go ahead and do a recurring again. And you can say, these are the ones I'm going to write checks for. Okay, I still owe, these are the ones that are still due. So I'm going to write a check for that one. And this month it was $156.98. And for this one, it was $250.45. And for this one, it doesn't change. I just leave it at the monthly office rent. And so those are the ones I'm going to create. I click create checks. Although these I'm going to print the check. So I click on computer checks and say create checks. Then for the credit card, I can go in and say credit card. And I go into recurring. And it's due, so I'm going to go ahead and say select, and it's flat every month, create. I know it's an automatic withdrawal, so I change this to other, and I say create check, and so that check gets charged to my credit card account, and so then it actually shows that I now, on my credit card balance as of today, is a negative 284. And so then we pay that, like I've shown in another video regarding setting up a credit card account. So it can be used for both your credit card account or your checking account, and it's very useful for those, especially for those that have a fixed monthly payment. It makes it very quick to add all those fixed monthly payments to your checking record. So that's how you take advantage of the recurring payment feature in the People's Choice accounting system.